Devauna Mum. Devauna Mum.
Why you watch your team, man? I just want to watch EastEnders.
It's cold in this house, man. Yo, man. It's Christmas time, winter, and you got the heating on. Can't you feel how cold it is?
It's not that cold actually. Me think it's kind of warm.
Nah, man.
Why you don't turn it down? The electric bill go
Heating in this house, man.
Let me hear all of these voices.
Man, it's like -4 degrees here. If you can't afford the extra £4, I'll give it to you.
No, my youth. Y'all take the mic, my youth. You see me?
Me not have no money to pay for light bill and electric and oven and cooker. Me not have no money to pay for the eating. And y'all talk about £4. £4? Me £4? You... Let me turn this off, yeah? Y'all get me mad up in ya.
Sure.
Yeah, boy.
Hey, man, turn that down. Man, keep telling you stop, man.
Excuse me.
My youth, stop
You
it.
do this all day. Heating. Staying on.
No, man, the money.
You are take the mic. If you like life, you better cut it out before me cut you out. Me bring you in this world, me can take you out of it too. If you cool, go and go make yourself a cup of tea. If you cool, put on your coat. Put on your hat, put on your gloves. Me no business. Me can do this all day too. Me can do this all day, Vanna. All day.
Blood.
You wanna test me, Mom? I've got it in my locker to do this all day. I ain't gonna have better to do. Yeah? It's Christmas time. Time for heating. Hear me? Time to stay warm. If you touch it one more time in my yard. If I touch it one more time, what's gonna happen? Nothing is gonna happen. Yeah? I think say man ain't practicing man's karate and boxing and kung fu.
Why if you don't stop it?
The boy thinks me a joke. Oh, what, you come in, yeah? You come in, yeah? Come in, come in. Come in, some of you. Hey, you are up a bit, man. Told you, fam.
Okay.
Always thinking something stronger than me. Man's growing up, you know.
Alright.
Man's getting older, fam. Always trying to stop me.
Yes. No, look at you. You got knocked out. Mommy. Eat that boy. Now get up and turn off me eating. I didn't want to do it, but you made me. All this work, man, this pad eye. You know, all them people them work the pad eye.
The next day.
Triple H, Shawn Michaels, sweet tune music.
Vanna,
You alright?
Hey, Mom.
You cool?
No. I'm not cold at all.
Man, you sure you're
Not
cold
cold
at all, man? It's like
so hot in here.
You look kinda cold still.
No, honestly, it's not cold at all. You're right, just wrapping myself up with some stuff that can save electric, you know what I mean?
Brother, you can't put on the 18. I'm in a good mood.
I got my gloves, scarf, jacket, t-shirt, hoodie.
You sure, Vana?
It's all good, Mum.
It's alright, you can put it on if you want to.
Honestly, Mum, it's cool. Christmas is the season to be saving, okay?
No, man, got up in the
You don't
Mario.
have to sweat it, don't worry about anything.
Okay. Alright.
In fact, I'll go make a cup of tea, yeah? Make us both warm, alright? It's all good.
Okay, will be nice actually.
Right, so let me get up. I've got to be the laser. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, cool. Oh, good. You chill out, Mum, and I'll go make us a tea. You can watch your favourite programme, wrestling.
And I will watch my program.
This is
Wrestling.
to be jolly. Fa la 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 la.
At least him learning lesson.
Devauna